I've come before you today. And there's just one thing that I wanna say. You say